Welcome back to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tech tips and tricks. Today, we're exploring Pineland.net. Navigating to www.pineland.net opens a gateway to a realm of intriguing and seemingly random content. This digital landscape is a curious mix of information, ranging from technical documentation to personal anecdotes, all presented in a somewhat minimalist and unassuming fashion. The website itself possesses a distinct vintage aesthetic, reminiscent of the early days of the internet, which adds to its unique charm and enigmatic nature. Pineland.net appears to be a personal project, a digital scrapbook, or perhaps even a public archive of sorts. It offers glimpses into various subjects, touching upon areas like software development, historical events, philosophical musings, and even personal reflections on everyday life. The site's structure isn't immediately apparent, and exploring it feels like a treasure hunt, with each click potentially leading to unexpected and fascinating discoveries. While the content itself is diverse, there seems to be a recurring theme of intellectual curiosity and a desire to share knowledge. Whether it's a detailed explanation of a specific coding technique or a contemplative essay on the nature of consciousness, Pineland.net offers a refreshing departure from the highly curated and often commercialized content found on much of the modern web. The lack of overt organization and the seemingly random juxtaposition of topics may be disorienting to some, but it also contributes to the site's unique appeal. It encourages exploration and serendipitous discovery, allowing visitors to stumble upon information they might not have otherwise encountered. It's a digital rabbit hole, and one that's well worth venturing down. In an era of polished websites and carefully crafted online personas, Pineland.net stands out as a refreshingly authentic and unpretentious space. It's a reminder of a time when the internet was a more open and experimental platform, and it offers a glimpse into the mind of its creator, a digital tapestry woven with threads of curiosity, knowledge, and personal experience. If you're looking for something different, something off the beaten path, then I encourage you to explore the digital landscape of Pineland.net. You might just be surprised at what you find.